Apparently, Samsung may launch the Galaxy Watch 4 smartwatch sooner than originally expected. And the coolest part about this particular article is the tweet that led to the article. It comes from our friend Ice Universe. Check out the tweet. Scroll down a little bit. Look at the tweet. You see that tweet? That's what you got to love about Ice Universe.
Yeah.
It actually just says
it just is
Galaxy Watch 4 and enter space Galaxy Watch 4 active. Then in a reply tweet, Q2. So cryptic and so lovely.
Yeah.
Well done, Ice Universe. So yeah, here's some. Actually, one that caught my attention here is the Active, because I used to have those Active phones, and I also in the past was a fan of kind of bulkier watches like G-Shocks and just really rugged, I don't care about it type of watch. You know what I mean, Will? Like it bumps into the wall or something, and I don't. Cool, it's like a battle scar. Can't be doing that with a Rolex or something like this, Will?
No. You
So
gotta be careful with
I was
that.
always a fan of like a really like a rugged thing. And so maybe if the Watch Active 4 is like the active devices I've had in the past, maybe that could be appealing. Another speculation on here is, and this would actually be really big, is that the device could come equipped with a blood glucose monitor. Now, I'm sure you know why that's a big deal.
The diabetes?
Well done. I was worried about you for a minute. The speed at which you were replying,
Well,
I was a little worried about you for a minute.
Well, why are you worried about that?
No, I'm not worried about it personally. I just know what right now you got to stab yourself.
Oh, right, yeah.
So that's annoying. And now
Get the equipment.
They did come out with the other one because I've been seeing the commercial for the other one, which is in the arm, and you scan it. And I think that's a kind of innovative. A lot of people have diabetes, is what I'm trying to say here.
Right.
It's a common thing that people deal with. And what this would do is use an optical sensor capable of monitoring blood glucose without drawing blood.
Oh.
So that's quite an advancement to having a smartwatch. This is a sensor that you're just not seeing in other products, right?
And you could check at any time?
Anytime. So you stay on top of it. So I turned you around on this one, Will. At first you were very upset about it.
Well, yeah, that's pretty useful.
I'm glad to have turned you around on that one.